No. Okay, let me define the potential. So this will be plus 15 volt. I'll define this as 0 volt. So this should be 0. Any reason for that? Because see, like there's a one wire, no? So the potential of this everything should be 15 volt. Look at this part. This is 0 volt. So this potential of this everything should be 0 volt. Then I have two things like, let me call this is X. Vx, I'll write it, potential at this point. V1. And let me assume current I1, I2. Here current I5, I3, I4. Let me assume current. So nodal analysis, why you are bringing current? To make things a little bit simple. Now, how much of current here? I1 plus I2. Here, how much of current? I2. So I1 plus I2. So current here. No, this is I3. This is I4. Hope, I think I'm. So what about this current? And what current leaves positive terminal of cell? That much of current should enter for charge of a cell to be conserved. So therefore, what is the first equation I'm getting? I1 plus I2 equal to I3 plus I4. Okay, let me define I1. 15 minus Vx by 2. What about I2? 15 minus Vy by 6. What about I3? Vx minus 0 by 4. Vy minus 0 by 4. One equation, I got it. Vx and Vy. Okay, no, you can ask questions like, what about both are unknowns? I need one more equation. Just look at this cell, nothing bigger. Vx plus 5 minus Vy 0. So Vx, Vy minus Vx should be 5. Equation 1, equation 2. Solving these two and get the required values. Problem has become very simple. Or else what you should do? You should assume one loop current I1, I2, I3, solve it, 3 equations, 3 unknown. I think it's very, very simple. Anybody can solve. What is there? Very, very simple. Getting in this one. So I do prefer this nodal analysis. Only thing is what happens, sir, like what you should be, I have a client like how to define those potentials. First, take help of a cell. Potential difference should be 15 volt. If you define this is 15, this should be 0. A wire is there. So the potential of all these points, because there's no any resistor there, so this should be 0 volt. Then there's no any resistor is there in this branch or this branch. So potential of everything will be 15 volt. These are the two nodes, X and Y. So define Vx and Vy. And that should be equal to 5 volt, no, Vy minus Vx. By writing loop equation Vx plus 5 minus Vy 0. Then take help of currents. Here current I1 plus I2. Here current I3 plus I4. Then apply here I1. Okay, some current will branch. Here I2. So let this current in all these branches, let it be different. Then I1 plus I2 should be equal to I3 plus I4. Then writing this one. You have to solve. I don't have patience. You have to work out. Solve for Vx. Solve 1 and 2. You'll get the required answer. for Vx. Solve 1 and 2 for Vx and Vy. Once you get Vx and Vy, you can calculate current in all the branches. So what is I1? Already I shown you, no? This is I1. Okay, some still I have colors. I'll round it off. At least manage with this. Okay.